What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you're missing one of the grommets or clips in your floor mats, you might want to check this out. Hey, I've got a floor mat here, and as you can see, it's got a clip that's missing that attaches to a spike in the floor. There are different types of these. There are some that are just holes that clip onto things. But I didn't want to waste a perfectly good floor mat, so I actually found this by Carmats Fixation, and they are replacement clips. Now, as I was looking at these, they aren't exactly the same as what I have in there, but I don't think that matters as long as the receiver hole clips onto the clip. Now, on the front here, it says Maserati Ferrari. So this is for my Ghibli. Now, one of the things that I was wondering was, you know, maybe these are just standard Chrysler clips because of FCA group, but apparently they're not. So let's take a close look at these and install it and see if it works. Okay, so here I got actually two clips because they're two pieces. If you've ever taken the clips out of a mat, you'll know there's a top and bottom and they kind of get sandwiched together. Actually, if these come apart, sometimes if you have both pieces, you can just put a little spot of super glue, put these back. But, you know, sometimes getting out of the car, you'll lose it, and I have totally lost this clip. And here's the top piece. So it's a top that will go on that side, just like that. And what you can see here is that the middle here will kind of clip onto the floor clip. Now, the bottom here will go like this, and that will actually orient itself like this. You can see kind of these raised edges, and they will go into these openings right there. Now, I just want to show you that that is different than the stock clip, but as far as I can tell, these middle pieces are exactly the same. I also want to show you that when you do push them together, you can see that there's a little lip right under here. So I'm hoping that these will clip together and stay fairly permanent. Otherwise, I would put a little dot of super glue on them. Let's get it installed. Down. There, you can hear it kind of clicking into place. And everything is pretty flush. And that's it. Doesn't want to come up. Let's see if it works in the car. So here is my car. I'm just going to put the floor mat back in place. You can see the little posts that these snap into. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, baby. That is in place. So if you have a Maserati and you are missing the clips to the floor mat, hey, these Carmats Fixation Clips definitely work. I will put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.